Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And real quick, we're going to be breaking down this stuff SMG and his team did at Jesus Plus Nothing conference. I think they did it. I think this is like the second time I'm hearing it. And I decided to quickly just look at it. We'll just briefly look at it. The key of F. So do re mi fa sol la ti do. So the first movement they started with was it's more like a 6. That's what it started with. So it's like 6, but now as rootless now, so 6/5. So you can do so. First thing, let me just start breaking that down. So first, so the bass player is on 6, so you have kind of. But I like this, yeah. You get bam 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 bam, da 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 da. 1 2 go, bam 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 bam. And we have this. That's the melody. Dun, 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 dun. So you can do or so dun, 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 dun. I did that again. Dun, dun, dun. Then so you see it. So let's go from the top. Da 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 da. 2 3 dun 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 dun. Now da da dun da da dun da 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 dun. That's the next thing. So again. So yeah. Now this is over your 3. So you have 3, but you as a piano player you can play this. So these are the notes. This is how I want to play it. Now I can be wrong, but this is how I will interpret it if I'm to play that, or still like this. So first movement, go. Now dun 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 dun. Then so this is sweet. So let me break this down. So we have. So I might not be spelling the note, but I'll just you can look at the screen to get everything. So first chord, second chord, next chord. So again, then I did this. First chord, next chord. So let me start again. then 2 now. That's the next chord. So it's like a 6 2 5 1. 6 2 5. Then 1. So let's do that again. So this is what the 1 is like. So let's go from the top now. Go. Sorry. Again. Go. Now. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Dun. We bless you, Lord, you are holy. Now, in this, now this is what I'm thinking, because there will definitely be a bass player. You should make use of your rootless a lot. So instead of playing this now, I might just want to not even rootless, maybe just invert. So do. You get? Oh, sorry. Yeah, exactly. I think this is another alternative. I think I even prefer this, because it's giving me a 6-2 on the key of B flat. You get? So let's go. 1 2 3 go. 2. Sorry, let's go again. 1 2 3 go. Again. Now. Go. Now. Now let's move to the vamp. You bless you, Lord. And forever you are God. That you can do. Yeah. So let's go. You bless you, Lord, you are holy. And forever you are God. Now do this thing. You get? So this is it. You drop 2s. Or anyone. So I'll do that again. So let's go. We bless you, Lord, you are holy. And forever you are God. And forever. And forever. Now. So let's go over this again. 1 2 3 go. 2 go. Now. Then you can be blessed, Lord. Hey. Nah. So, nothing much. Basically, this is everything for that part. And I think in the next, I'll do another part of this where I'll break down the vamp style John Latch was using, you know, and I might talk about how other instruments try to complement themselves, from the groove of the snare to the kick to the bass line to the guitar to the loop itself. Now this is one reason why I need to get my loop back, because I have I created an LSM type loop where you can hear might not be 100%, because I'm not the one that created the actual one, but you might not spot the difference, and I'm sure you will love it. To get my loop pack now, volume 2, to get access to that particular loop. Yeah, so I'll break down the vamp style that was used. Yeah, so this is everything for this particular video. Also, don't forget, I talked about my Telegram channel in my previous videos, and I'll drop the link also in the description so we can add up and join in, you know, so we can grow together. Also, my beginners course is out online. My loop pack is out online. My channel is here. Don't forget to subscribe. We are on our road to 10,000 subscribers. Please, let's do this, guys. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Shalom.